So now it's finally time to run the to-do-one application on the EC2 instance. So let's just show you guys. So as you can see that we have only these images over here. Oops. Images. Okay. So we have these images over here. So before pulling the images from Docker Hub, so you have to get logged into a Docker account. So we are using, first we are going to just get into the root user. Okay. And later on you have to just clear up all the things, and you have to use this command like docker login. Okay. And here you have to mention the username. Okay. Username. And then you have to mention the password over here. And I'm just going to paste this one. So as you can see that we have successfully logged into the Docker account. Okay. So now I'm just going to clear up all the things, and right now we have to just go on this Docker registry or Docker Hub, and here you have to just scroll down, and as you know that we have pushed the image using the latest tag, and hence we are going to just pull this image using the latest tag. So I'm just going to copy this command. Okay. And open the terminal over here and use the docker pull command. Okay. And you have to just paste this one, and so now it's going to pull the image from our Docker Hub. And as you can see that how it's faster, and within a second our image is pulled. So let's verify. So using a Docker, not the PS one, Docker images. Okay. So as you can see that we have successfully pulled the image, and now let's run this image. So usually we use this command over here like docker run, and then we do the port mapping over here like port 80 for my instance, and then port 3000. Okay. Then we have mentioned this image name over here, and if you paste it and if you press enter over here, and one thing you will notice, so as you can see that we got this error like no such host. Also we have this error over here like lookup docker on, and then we have this address over here. So you might be thinking, so we have done all the things correctly, so but why our image is not running? So let me show you. So again, if you go on this page of Docker image, and here we have to just search for the run. Okay. And if you scroll down, okay, so let me show you where it is. Okay. So as you can see that we have this command. So if you want to run this Docker image, so then you have to use this command like docker run. Then we have to mention this --rm. Okay. Then you have to mention this path, and then you have to mention the image ID. Okay. So our image is built with the Docker image. So hence we have to use this command for running the Docker image. Okay. So if you want to run this application, so we need this command. So I'm just going to copy this command like docker run from here docker.sock. Okay. And I'm just going to copy this command. Okay. And I'm just going to open the terminal over here and paste this command. Okay. And here after the docker.sock, you have to just give a space over here, and then you have to mention the image ID over here that we have pulled. So in our case we have this image ID. Okay. So not the image ID, so image name, and then we are going to run this image. So if you press enter, so as you can see that all the process has been started over here. So let me show you. So backend pulling, front end pulling, and Mongo is pulling over here. So all the things will be pulled up, and later on our image will also running up. So as you can see that our application successfully started. So backend is started, the front end is started. So let's verify. Okay. So you have to just come again on the EC2 instance. Okay. And how we are going to access the application. So for that, first we are going to select this instance, and then as you can see that we have this arrow button, so we have to just click on it. See, so in the details tab we have this address over here, public IPv4 address. So using this address we can able to access our application. So I'm just going to copy this address over here, and let's open another tab over here and just paste it and use the :80. Okay. And if you press enter, so as you can see that our application successfully started, and let's try to add something over here. Okay. So we are successfully able to add the things over here. So let's try another one like everything is working fine. Okay. So as you can see that, so all the things is working correctly, and we are successfully able to deploy the image on the EC2 instance, and we can also able to access from the public IP. And also we have covered up the first part of deployment, so in which we have deploy on this EC2, and in the second part we are going to deploy the images using the ECR and ECS. So for that, see you guys in the next video.